So, Claudia and I are up at the top level observation of the Vanderbilt One Summit, one of the tallest buildings in New York City, now eclipsing both my favorite building of all time, the Chrysler Building just over that way, and then a few hundred feet higher than Chrysler, the Empire State Building. We're here to tell you that we only have a few seats left to our last workshop of the year, coming October 20th to 23rd here in New York. Hop over to www.3bmep.com/streets22 to learn more. In the meantime, we've got some more location scouting to do.